experience with Team has been incredible. I have been using Team's helpline probably since soon as I got there because no one in my office knew what they were doing. And being able just to call the helpline, I have personalized relationship with a lot of people just because they hear my voice so much. I would say merchants' biggest success using Team would be the ability to do a lot of our paychecks virtually. So eHub has been a huge proponent for us to do a lot of things, and we're in the state of California. So WinTeam has a great job making sure all of our checks and everything that we're doing is in compliance. So our ongoing growth with Team software has been with Hire. So we've been utilizing Hire for a long time in one of our systems, which is the guard company. But as we've grown, we've used Hire in our janitorial company, which has led to virtually onboarding. We have about 5,000 employees in 9 different states. So having that piece and being able to use that has been very, very beneficial to onboard people who are not necessarily in the office. They don't have to come to the office, and it makes the recruiting process a lot faster. The ability to pay by the minute and then also bill by the schedule has been really helpful, because in the guarding world that happens. People are late, people don't show up on time, but you still can't bill that client for that overtime. So having that piece of the TeamTime with the enhanced reconciliation with the pay to the minute, bill to the schedule has helped with the compliance side of like making sure you're not rounding to or anything. Again, we're in the state of California, so that compliance is really important, but then clients don't want to see the overtime and we bill to that. So that piece has been super helpful. We definitely are now going into the onboarding process with Hire, which has pushed us to do online enrollment. So doing the online enrollment is helpful. We're not collecting paper. We're being able to do a lot of different states at one time. So we're really utilizing that online piece of the open enrollment and medical benefits as well.